A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
Fine.
Great.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Okay. Are you all ready with your literature textbook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. Very good morning. In the previous session, literature session, we had done the first 2 question answers and 2 meanings. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Let me see whether you all remember or not. Okay, I'm going to mute everybody's device and I will check whether you remember or not. Okay? Krishna, I want everybody to close their textbook. Please close the textbook. Yes. You can open it later on when I tell you to do so. Okay. Krishna Priya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is the meaning of healthy? Healthy.
Good for the body.
Very good. Can you tell me with the spellings? Evaluate it properly.
G
Yes.
O
Say fast.
D O D.
Okay. For Krishna Priya, be fast. What is the spelling of for?
F O R 4.
The
H the.
body.
B O D body. Body.
B-O-D-Y. Body.
B O D Y.
Okay. Did you write and learn? Yes, Krishna Priya, did you write and learn? That is why you are finding it difficult to say the spellings. Okay. So whenever a work is given to you, please do it that day itself. Okay. It will help you to remember the spellings. Yes, Krishna Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aarti, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aarti, tell me the spelling, meaning of wise.
Clever.
Spelling?
CLEVER.
Okay, okay. Very good, Aarti. Abhinav, unmute. Abhinav MP, unmute. Abhinav? Abhinav, unmute. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Abhinav, tell me the meaning of healthy.
Good for the body.
Very good. Can you tell me the spelling? Don't look at your mother. No. Look towards the screen. Tell me. Good. G.
C
G-O-O-D. Good.
O O D. Good.
For
F O R for.
the
T H the.
body.
Bo.
Body. Bo. Ba o.
B O
Ba o. What is ba? Which letter says ba?
B
B. O.
O
D.
D
Y.
Y.
Y. B-O-D-Y. Body. Got it, Abhinav? Say. B-O-D-Y. Body.
E Y body.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good boy, Abhinav. Okay. Joel Maria? Joel Maria, unmute. Joel Maria, unmute. Unmute, unmute. Unmute? Yes. Tell me the meaning of wise.
Y.
Yes. Clever. Spelling?
Spelling.
CLEVER.
Uh,
Clever.
P-E-R. Clever. Ah, very good. Very good, Jewel. Good girl. Shrutakirti, switch on your video. Okay. Then after doing the meanings, we did 2 question answers, right? Okay. Now I'm going to ask Adinath Sunil. Adinath, unmute. Yes, Adinath.
Yes, ma'am.
Adinath, tell me. Why is the brinjal like a queen?
Brinjal has a crown.
Okay. But you need to begin the answer with the brinjal is like a queen because. Say, don't fight with your brother. Adinath, tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Don't fight with your brother. Come on, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Why is the brinjal like a queen? So you must begin the answer with the brinjal is like a queen because. Say, the brinjal is like a queen.
Brinjal is like a king.
Queen. Queen.
King.
Because.
Because
Now what is that word which we use for things? Is it his or her or it? Do you remember that? What is that word which we used for things? His or her or it?
his.
His. For things, Adinath. Think about it and tell me. Is it his or her or it for things? It is it. Okay, it.
Yes.
So, because it has a,
It has a
what does it have? Brinjal?
crown.
Crown. Can you tell me the spelling of crown?
CROWN, crown.
Yes. And what is the rhyming word for crown? Rhyming word. Don't ask others. You think and tell me. Crown. Rhyming word for crown. That is the name of a color.
Purple.
No, my dear. Rhyming word for crown. Rhyming word that have the same ending sound.
Brown.
Brown, yes. Crown, brown. Don't they sound similar? Don't they sound the same? Yes, they have the same ending sounds. That is why they are called rhyming words. Is that clear to you now, Adinath? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So once again, the brinjal is like a queen because it has a crown.
Crown.
Has a crown.
Crown.
Okay, Adinath, good effort. Very good. Adam Joe, unmute. Adam Joe, unmute. Yeah. Which vegetables are brown and pink? Which vegetables are brown and pink? Yes, Adam Joe.
Potatoes.
And? Yes, Adam Joe. Potatoes and?
Onions.
Onions. Very good. Potatoes and onions are brown and pink. Okay, very good. I'm glad that you gave me the answer in the correct order. Very good. If brown, the name of the color brown is written first, you have to write the name of the brown color vegetable also first. Okay, and then followed by the pink color and the pink color vegetable. Okay, very good, Adam. Good boy. Okay, now we will move to the third question. And I know that everybody knows that answer very well. Let me check. Nakshatra, unmute. Nakshatra, unmute. Nakshatra, what do vegetables make us? What do vegetables make us? So about what are we asking in this question, Nakshatra?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
About what are we asking in this question? Vegetables, yes? Yes or no? Yes. So the answer, we will begin the answer with vegetables. Okay. Vegetables make us. Which are those three words? Do you remember? Do you all remember? And say, vegetables make us. Nakshatra, first you stop playing with your hair, please. Put your hands down, listen to ma'am and tell me the answer. What is the word that we use for this action? Come on. Say, vegetables make us. Yeah.
Make us
Yes. Strong. Then with one hand. Healthy.
healthy.
And wise.
Wise.
Okay, repeat the action, repeat the answer. Vegetables make us.
Vegetables make us
Strong,
strong,
healthy,
healthy,
and wise.
and wise.
Okay, understood, Nakshatra?
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. Don't forget it, okay?
Yes.
Yes. Adel, unmute. Adel, tell me, what do vegetables make us? Adel, unmute. Yes. What do vegetables make us?
Vegetables make us.
Vegetables make us. Begin the answer with that.
Make us
What?
strong,
Yes.
healthy, and wise.
Very good. Vegetables make us strong, healthy, and wise. Strong, healthy, and wise. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to write the answer number 3 on the board. I want, does everybody have the pencil with them? For those who are able to see the screen clearly, you can write it if possible. If anybody is not able to see the screen clearly, I'll be sending it in the notes. So that time you can do it. Those who want to write in the rough book can do that. Okay, so this is the question. What do vegetables make us? Yes, Adel? What do vegetables make us? So Adel gave me the answer that vegetables make us. What is the first word? Strong. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. All of you show me how did we do the action for strong? Show me strong. Very good. Then what is the next word? Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. How did we show healthy? Healthy. Show me how. Healthy. Healthy and A-N-D, and wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Okay, so vegetables make us strong, healthy, and wise. What do vegetables make us? Vegetables make us strong, healthy, and wise. Vegetables make us strong, healthy, and wise. Maithili, unmute. Maithili, unmute. And tell me, what do vegetables make us? Unmute, Maithili. Yes.
Vegetable make me strong.
Vegetables make us, go slowly, slowly. Say, vegetables make us.
Vegetable make us
Hmm?
strong and
No.
healthy.
And comes before the last word only. Strong, healthy, and wise.
Strong,
Healthy and wise. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others? Okay, have you completed your work? Yes, Ivania completed? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, fine. Adel Maria completed? Okay, okay. Okay, now we move to the next one. Arati, unmute. Arati, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next question. 4. W-H-A-T.
What?
What?
What? What?
What?
What?
What? Good. D-O-E-S.
Does
Does?
the
Huh? Okay. P-O-E-T. Poet.
poet
Poet. Yes. Who
eat
is the poet? The person who has written this poem is the poet of this poem.
Poem.
Okay.
okay?
E-A-T.
Eat vegetables
Very good.
with
With. What does the poet eat vegetables with? Okay. So what does the poet eat vegetables with?
roti and rice.
Very good. So the answer is started with the poet eats vegetables with. See, it is here already. The poet. See this part. What does the poet eat vegetables with? So that part we have taken from the question and written here in the answer. The same part. Did everybody notice? The poet eats vegetables with. Yes, tell me, Aarti.
Roti and rice.
Spelling.
R-O-T-I
Roti.
and
A-N-D and rice. R-I-C-E.
C-E rice.
Rice. And at the end of the answer, what do we put?
Full
Full
stop.
stop. Yes. So the poet eats vegetables with roti and rice. The poet eats vegetables with roti and rice. Understood? Did everybody understand? Okay, very good, Aarti. Manav, unmute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Manav, unmute. Now we are moving to exercise 2, that is the value-based question. Value-based question. Okay. So, here we have options. Manav, please read this. After 1, it is written, we should
Should
Yes. Eat. D-I-F-F. Diff. E-R-R-E-N-N-T. Different. Different. Yes. Very good. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Evelyn, what are you doing? Please sit. Because. Dash. We should eat different fruits and vegetables because dash. Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
A. Read option A, Manav.
They
They are C-O-L-O-U-R.
full.
Colorful. Very good. B.
Option B.
Option B.
They are healthy.
Healthy. Very good. C.
They
Come from
plants.
plants. Okay. D. They
Look good.
good. Okay. So why do we eat different? Why should we eat different fruits and vegetables? Manav, why should we eat different fruits and vegetables?
Good for the body.
Okay, because they are healthy. We have to take from the options here. Okay. So we will choose the option because they are healthy. And what is the meaning of healthy, Manav?
Good
Good for the body. Okay. So it means one and the same. Okay. Your answer is absolutely right. Very good effort, Manav. Very good. Well done. Good boy. Okay, my dear. So we will put a tick on option B. And we will write here because they are A-R-E-R healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. And the full stop is already here, so I am not putting it. Okay. Yes, it is here, full stop. We should eat different fruits and vegetables because they are healthy. So which is the right option?
B.
B. So here in this box, we will write B. Can you see one box there? Blank box. There you have to write B. Capital B. Okay? Because that is the right answer. Did everybody understand? Yes? Daniel, did you understand? Daniel, did you understand? Unmute. Daniel, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Daniel, tell me the meaning of healthy.
Healthy food.
Meaning.
For the body.
Good for the body. Okay. And what does the poet eat vegetables with?
Roti and
Rice.
rice.
Roti and rice. What is the spelling of roti? R-O-T-E. Roti. R-O-T-I. Roti. And rice.
R-I-C-E.
Yes. R-I-C-E. Roti and rice. Okay. Austin, unmute. Austin, unmute. Unmute. Yes. Austin, tell me, what do vegetables make us? What do vegetables make us? So you have to start the answer with vegetables. Say the complete thing. Vegetables make us. Say. No, you start from vegetables. Strong. Then I cannot hear you. Healthy and wise. Okay. Your audio is not clear at all, Austin. Okay. Okay, fine. So has everybody been able to write all the answers? My dear students, did you complete answer 3 and 4? Adel Maria, completed? Yes? Okay. Adel Ann, completed? Yes? Junaita, completed? Yes. Okay. Austin completed writing all the question answers? Austin, give me a thumbs up if you have completed. Ivania, yes. Adinath completed? Okay, Nakshatra completed? Completed? Nakshatra, please stop playing with your hair. Take your hands off your hair. Don't touch your hair again, okay? You will not be able to understand if you keep on playing with your hair. Okay, Nakshatra? Good girl. Aarti, finished? Completed writing? Yes? Okay. So, ma'am is going to stop this sharing here. We have completed all the question answers, meanings, and the other exercise. Okay, done. Shrutakirti, switch on your video. Okay, does anybody have any doubt? Nakshatra, again. Okay, Mohammad Rishan. Meghadarsh. Okay, Meghadarsh, unmute. Let me ask. Meghadarsh? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which vegetables are brown and pink?
Potatoes, onions. Potatoes and onions. Are brown and pink. Hi. Hello, ma'am. Hear you. Ma'am can't hear you.
Vegetables are brown and pink എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ potatoes and onions are brown and pink. ഏത് വെജിറ്റബിൾ ആണ് brown and pink എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ പൊട്ടറ്റോയും ഒനിയനും ആണ്.
Can't hear, ma'am. Ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So, I believe everybody has understood all the question answers and the meanings. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can send a message to me if you want. Okay, so with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.